Hi there, this is Sherry from Side by Side Enclosures. We're here with our newly designed Viking 6, Yamaha Viking 6 enclosure. This one is made to work with a hard roof. It'll work with any hard roof. The first thing you'll do when you get your package, you'll get two sides and a back window. You'll separate this flap off of each of your sides, your doors, and just put it aside. You'll get a roll of Velcro, and you'll get a little tube of Velcro. It's adhesive promoter. So what you're going to do, the first thing you're going to want to do is start putting your Velcro on. And you'll use the Velcro, this promoter, you'll just, wherever you're going to put your Velcro, you're going to put just a little dab wherever the Velcro goes. Kind of let it dry for a minute or so, and then you stick your Velcro on, and it really helps the Velcro stick. They say 72 hours is the best curing time for maximum adhesion for the Velcro. So what you'll start doing is you'll loosen your roof. You don't have to take it off, but loosen it up and flip your windshield down or take your windshield off, whichever you prefer. This one has a lot of splices because there's some wiring, so we had to splice the Velcro, so we didn't go over the wires. But you'll run your Velcro up the front of your roll cage here. And then you'll run your Velcro across the edge of the roof, the whole way back. And then you'll also put Velcro right down each side of the roll cage here, and right down the roll cage right here. So you'll have all your Velcro in place. So then you'll start with your back panel. Your back panel, you'll see you have a pocket here. And you'll get a rod. It's an expandable rod, so you'll slide one end of your rod into the pocket to the end, and then you'll expand your rod, put your other end in, and expand it so it's good and tight, and hold it down. And that kind of keeps this from bowing in on your people. So on your backseat riders. So then you'll see a flap, and it has 3 Velcro wraps. What they're going to do is they're going to wrap around your roll bar or your cross member here, one in the center and one on each side of where these roof brackets are. Just wrap them around tight, pull this down. This will go down in between your sound dampening system and your back seat. And there's also Velcro across there if you wish to put it. Most people don't, but you can seal that off in the back there also. So then what you'll do is you'll take and you'll center, make sure your back window is centered, and you'll just wrap this around to attach to the Velcro. And then you'll see these straps, and these straps just are extra precaution in case your Velcro would come loose. These straps just wrap around and secure it even better. There's 4 of them on each side. You'll do this to both sides. And then you have your back window installed. So then these little flaps that we talked about at the beginning that come on your doors, you'll start at the front and you'll see the Velcro, and then there's about 1.5 inches or 2 inches of just material, okay? So this Velcro is you're going to start in the front and attach this, and this Velcro is actually going to run right along the edge of your roof. So if you attach the front, then you're going to come back and you're going to pull this back as tight as you can get it. Make sure all your straps are facing the right way and not attached like this one is. And you pull this, and again, run that Velcro right along the edge of your roof. So then it attaches the whole way back, and you have your straps sticking up. So then what you'll do, because you have your roof loose, is you'll just take this and you'll tuck this all along with the straps, all underneath your roof. This gives you a good seal between the enclosure and your roof. This is just like a little weather seal. You just strap that around, and then those straps will wrap around your roll cage also and give you extra extra hold in case any of the Velcro would come loose, which it normally doesn't. So you just strap each of the straps around your roll cage. Strap in there. There we go. And then the back just gets tucked up under also, just like that. So at that point, we have the other side done, so we'll show you. We'll move to the other side here. At that point, I guess I need to undo it a little. You can see how easy this is to take off. When it warms up and you just want to take your enclosure off. Unlike any other brand, you don't have to uninstall the whole enclosure. All you have to do is unzip. Oops, this door. And the enclosure comes off. And we have the straps for around the roll cage too, the same as on the front, the same as around the roll cage. So you just undo those and you can get your enclosure off. So we just had our flap installed. Now what we want to do is go ahead and install your front. Again, make sure your straps are in place. And then you'll zip the side onto your door. Maybe I shouldn't have attached that yet. Zip your sides onto your door, then you'll want to install your front here nice and tight. Wrap your straps around, strap them, and you just zip this back. We have the Velcro installed already on the door, so it kind of gets caught. This Velcro is very, very strong, heavy-duty Velcro. So you'll zip that back, then you'll just stretch this, and it'll wrap around and attach to the Velcro on your back window. Then you'll see where your Velcro will need placed on your doors. And you can see where we installed the Velcro. But when your doors come down, you'll see where to install the Velcro. You'll install it the whole way across. We're also going to have a snap option if you want to install snaps. They are a small additional cost. But you can see where the Velcro gets attached. It seals it really nice. You install your Velcro, pull your enclosure down, nice and tight. Pull it back and attach it back here. And there you have your full enclosure to get in and out. You just unzip the door. You can open it part way without undoing any Velcro. If you need it open further, you might have to undo a little bit of the Velcro here, but as you can see, you can get in and out just fine. And then also, now this is only an option for the front door, you can just unzip the whole door and take it off too. The back door doesn't do that, but the front door does. And again, you know, if you want to take the whole enclosure off, it's so simple. You can carry this with you. If it's nice out, just carry the sides with you. And if it starts raining or anything, you can just zip them on and you have your enclosure just in seconds. Again, this is Sherry from Side by Side Enclosures. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 724-614-7660, or visit our website, www.sidexsideenclosures.com. Thank you and have a good day.